Well done, Kadee. Anya, what did you think of her performance?
Being idea for Tinder on. Wow, you've got a really nice voice. That song is quite a simple song for a female singer, but your voice suited it so much. It was so pretty. I mean, if I didn't have to write down stuff, I could just stare at it while you were singing it. It was absolutely gorgeous. Especially your voice as well. It was so controlled and everything was just so clean. It sounded like a bit of a recording to me. It was a bit bizarre. Yeah, you should be really proud of that. You've got bags and bags and bags of potential. All these younger ones are awesome, and they do. Quite good. Yeah, incredible. Well done.
Kelly, what did you think of her performance?
I thought that was absolutely beautiful. You've got so much ability in your voice, you're capable of doing so much, and I think we only got like a sneak preview of what you can do. The way that you kind of like transitioned into your sort of head voice, it was breathtaking. It was so controlled, it was so clean. You sounded as if you'd been like, as if you were an adult and you'd been doing this for years and years and years, and it just came so naturally to you. It was, oh my God, you are special. You really are absolutely 100% special. Well done.
Kadee, yeah, I mean, like, considering this was very last minute for you, and like, a quick question before I go on about your performance. Have you done anything publicly before, like, anything like this, or was this literally, like, all new for you? Do you know what, I was actually guessing that because, like, you sounded absolutely amazing then, and the only thing you were missing at the moment is that little bit of belief. Because I can see that you don't have a lot of belief in what you're capable of, and it probably is because you're new to it, but literally this sort of process can do wonders for somebody like you, absolute wonders, because all you need to do is just believe in yourself on that stage a bit more. Your voice sounded incredible then, but again, the more you believe and the more comfortable you are on that stage, the more thickness is going to come out, the more you're going to project. So that's something that you'll definitely gain from this process, and I really do feel like if you are successful throughout this, we are going to only see you get better and better and better and better and better, and you're already at an amazing start. So I wanted to take that on board because it's important. Like I said, everything we say here is to help you and things like that, but believe it, girl, you have got a talent, and I'm so glad Amy put you forward because you definitely got it. Smashed it. Well done. Well done, Kadee.